Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to tell you that how you can delete temporary files from your PC. And if your PC is very slow and you want to delete your all temporary files which are disturbing your work and which are making your computer very slow, so what you have to do, you have to press the window and R button. After pressing the window and R button, so what you need to do, you have to write this word like this. As you can see, I have written percentage temp and percentage, like percentage temp and percentage. You have to write this, and after writing this you have to press the OK. You have to press the OK button, and after pressing the OK button, as you can see, now these all things are open. After pressing on this, as you can see, all the temporary files are open which are not in our use. And now if you want to delete these all files, so what you have to do, first of all you have to select them all. You have to press the Ctrl R. If you want to see the size of them, you have to right click on it, and now you click on the show more properties. Now click on the property, and now as you can see, total their size is around 80 MB, 79 MB, and something point 8 and something in points. So in this way you can see their size. Now you have to click on the cancel. Now if you want to delete them, you just have to press the delete, and it will won't affect any kind of software or any kind of computer activity. And after deleting these files, your computer will run smoothly. So in this way you can delete your temporary files. So I hope you guys understand this video. So see you guys in the next video.